Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Gather everything first so the sandwich comes together quickly. Use 2 eggs, 2 slices bread, 1 tablespoon butter, and 1 slice cheese for a basic build. Whisk eggs with 1 tablespoon milk and 1/4 tsp salt in a bowl until homogeneous. This adds fluff and consistent seasoning. Toast the bread to golden, about 3 to 4 minutes in a toaster or under a broiler. If using artisan slices, aim for roughly 3.5 inches wide, so fillings sit nicely without spilling. Heat 1 tsp butter in a non-stick pan over medium heat until it foams but does not brown. This prevents sticking and adds flavor. Pour the beaten eggs into the pan and stir gently with a spatula to form soft curds, cooking about 60 to 90 seconds until slightly set but still moist. Fold the scrambled eggs onto 1 slice of toasted bread. Add 1 slice cheese to melt. Then cap with the second slice and press gently for an even melt and handheld structure. Customize quickly. Add 1 slice cheese or 2 strips bacon for extra protein and flavor, or spread 1 tsp hot sauce for heat. For make ahead, cool the sandwich 5 minutes, then wrap tightly in foil or place in an airtight container and refrigerate for up to 24 hours. Avoid longer storage to maintain egg quality. Reheat by microwaving 60 seconds on high. Or for crisp bread, reheat 3 minutes at 350 degrees F in a preheated oven. Serve immediately to preserve texture and avoid sogginess.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.